Hey guys, it's Tony. So here's a reason I actually bought these contracts, right? So I am up about 3%ish, and I'm up about $215. I am looking at selling these on Monday, so GameStop might rally Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, but as of me, I'm probably just gonna hold these till Monday. I don't think I'm gonna hold these any longer. I do think that there might be another huge breakout to the upside. I mean, if GameStop was not halted here at $72, we would have probably rallied to 120, $140. I mean, with the volume, with the momentum, with everything going on, I'm not 100% sure why it was halted. It should have been consistent. It kept going up. But here's the thing: over the weekend, you're gonna have a lot of these big hedge funds, big money scrambling around trying to cover their shorts, but because basically everybody is trying to cover everything between $40 to basically up until like right now, like $70, and that's why you guys see that's why you guys see all these new calls being sold, up until the $115 mark, right? Because it's everybody, all the big players trying to cover their shorts. But right now, on Friday, we should have GameStop, if there was no halt, would have easily hit triple digits, easily 100%. We rallied basically from 44 almost 100%. And this is a pretty good price target. I mean, the fact that from $60 right now all the way to 120 is a full hundred, another 100%, is, I don't want to say a big indicator, but it can definitely happen. Again, I don't recommend anybody buy those calls. This is just me playing a kind of like a lotto ticket, a YOLO, whatever you guys want to call it, for Monday, and me basically basing this off of what happened on Friday. And that was based off of Gamma Squeeze, and the actual squeeze. I'm saying that it might happen Monday just because everybody's just trying to cover, and then a bunch of retail that didn't get in on GameStop on Friday is basically everybody that didn't get in on Friday is going to FOMO in on Monday. I'm just happy I kind of secured my calls on Friday before close, and then we're gonna gauge to see throughout the day. But for the most part, I'm gonna be doing the same thing of what happened Friday. I'm gonna be holding my calls up until around 9:30 ish or so. I'm gonna gauge the market, just kind of see how it is, and then if we do rally again, I'm probably going to be selling my calls around 9:30, 9:45 in the morning. If it doesn't get halted, I'll try to not get, if it gets halted, it's going to come right back down, and I'll probably sell around this area if another breakout happens like this, if another squeeze like this happens. But I'm just letting you guys know, these calls, I'm probably only going to hold till Monday. I might make a couple hundred, might make a lot more. I might lose some money, right? You never know what's going to happen. So, but yeah, I mean, the only reason I bought those is because I do think that the halt definitely prevented GameStop from rallying another multiple. I definitely think GameStop can hit 120, 140. There's no reason why it shouldn't have been able to do that Friday. If there was no halt, it would have done that 100%. So that's what I'm betting on for Monday to happen. So we'll see. But I just wanted to update you guys on GameStop, update you guys on my position, and then we'll kind of go from here. We'll see what happens Monday.